So we have performed not at our optimum, but certainly we have not failed in the past 32 years. We are the youngest among the three main traditions, but we've succeeded a lot. And I believe if you are writing the history of this country, you cannot but appreciate the contribution of NDC to the development of Ghana. We are always the party that comes to clean the mess. And when we leave, and we believe that where we have positioned the country, nothing will bring us back, we will go, and then some other people will come, destroy everything that we have built, and even dig the foundation to make sure that this country will not survive. Tell them that Ghana will survive and grow. We are ready to come back and be the partners of the masses to rebuild everything that has been destroyed and to ensure that the foundations will be so strong that they cannot be destroyed ever again. And so, on this note, I would want to wish all of you a happy anniversary. You must have gleaned, those who have political eyes, that there were serious attempts by our opponents to create confusion, to make sure that this, our anniversary, will not happen, or it will be marred in controversies. All our attention will be drawn this morning to other debates that are completely irrelevant. But we have resisted that temptation. Let them continue lying. At the appropriate time, they will have their responses. But let me tell the peace-loving people of this country, the group of people